Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another follow me around the house kind of a video, and I'm very excited for it because I've planned multiple things for today, and I feel like it's going to be really exciting and nice. The first thing that we are going to do is actually go in the kitchen and make some coffee, and yeah, let's start from there and we'll figure out the rest. So guys, we are in my kitchen and we have all the ingredients of making the best ever frothy coffee, and we are going to just start in a moment. I'll just introduce you to the ingredients. So first we needed some coffee. I like Davidoff, so I use this. Then we need some sugar and we need some water. So let's get started. I'm going to add my coffee first. It's just this much, so I'm going to just that's my coffee. Next thing that we are going to add is sugar, and I do not like a lot of sugar in my coffee. I like it to be a little black, so I'm just going to add 1.5 teaspoons, and this should be around spoons of 4 tablespoons of coffee. So in that I've just added 1 and 1/4 spoon of your sugar, and now I'm adding water. Now water is something that you have to measure and add, so I'm just adding it. There cannot be a lot of water in this, because if there is a lot of water, then it's eventually going to lose its water and become dark and not be frothy on a daily basis. So if you want more froth, you have to make sure that you don't add a lot of water. Okay, so the next step that we're going to do is now blend. Don't worry if you don't have the machine, you can use a spoon and just blend it. It'll take a little more time, but it'll happen. This is how the coffee should look when you're frothing it in the start. What I mean to say is, just see the amount of water. So after, let's say, about 5 minutes of blending it, it's going to become more lighter and it's going to look like this. We are going to blend it a little more so that it becomes a little more lighter and more frothy. Look at that. So look at that, my coffee is now ready. This is how the texture of it looks like. It's become so thick and creamy. Look at that, so thick and creamy. Now I'm going to just put it in a jar and we're going to make a hot warm cup of coffee for us. So as you can see, for breakfast we are having some strawberries and blueberries, and then we are having some egg with onion and coriander on it. Let's make our coffee. So I'm just going to grab, look at how creamy it is. So I'm just going to grab some coffee and put it in the mug. Now, since it is so thick, it will not lose the spoon, but it's fine. Let's add some water. Look at how frothy it's getting. I mean, this is with water. Imagine what will happen when you will use it with milk. I mean, it's going to be so good. So, and the coffee is still not mixed completely. So we're going to just mix it. Do you see the froth? Would anybody say this is not from a coffee machine? That's how good it is, you guys. Now I like it with a little bit of milk, so I'm going to add that. Just a little bit of milk. Milk has its own little sweetness, and I prefer it that way. I add no sugar to my coffee, and this is what my coffee looks like. Now I'm very hungry. Let me just go have breakfast. You are not going to believe what I'm going to show you next. So after breakfast, I decided that I want to unwind and have a good bath. So I'm going to show you quickly what I'm up to. For that, we need to go in my bathroom because I decided to have a warm bath. And look at that, you guys. There is a bathtub in here. I'm going to have a cozy bath and kind of unwind. There are these cute little candles and all the things that I would need for the bath right here. So I'm so excited. So guys, I filled my bathtub, and this bathtub comes with this sort of like a cover over here on which I can keep my stuff, and maybe a cup of tea or something like that, or something like a wine if you are in the mood of that, and just unwind and enjoy and have fun. So, after putting the light off, this is how the whole ambience of the bathroom is gonna look. I'm so excited. Let's dive in. So, I'm in my bathtub, you guys. It is warm, nice, and cozy. Look at so much bubbles that are there. And I've got this book called Maybe Someday. I'm going to sit and I'm going to read and enjoy this. I've already read this much of the book, only that much is remaining. Word of caution, you guys, whenever you get something like a book, do carry a towel with it, because you might have to wipe your hands and, then start reading or doing something else when you are just relaxing, kind of. So before going into my own little nirvana, I would like to also show you this amazing candle called Trip to Goa. I got it from Amazon, and this is from a brand called Eva Vela soy wax candle. It is amazing. It smells so good. Believe me. So it's been quite some time. I'm going to quickly just scrub my body using this Dove exfoliating body polish. It smells really good, and this will be perfect for a pampering day. After exfoliating my body, I'm going to use this shower gel to quickly have bath. This is a shower gel from Bath and Body Works called Saltwater Breeze. It has shea butter and vitamin E in it. Oh my god, you guys, this smells divine, and by the look of it, I've used it so much, so I totally love it. I'm going to quickly wash my face using this refreshing facial wash, which is 100% soap free. This is from the brand called Simple, and it is very kind to the skin. So after that amazing bath, I am kind of ready to do my skincare, and I'm going to apply my Lakme Peach Milk. I love this as a morning moisturizer. I feel like it's very hydrating, and you can see I've taken like a beast amount of it because I want like maximum moisturization for my morning skin. It's going to take me through the day, and so I'm using this. As you can see, my skin is looking so shiny and nicely moisturized. The next thing that I'm going to use over this 10% niacinamide serum from Earth Rhythm, I'm just going to take a little bit of it and put it on my face. Moisturization is very important. It just helps your skin go through from point A to point B in the day. After letting the moisturizer sit a little bit, I'm going to apply a sunscreen. That is going to be my Dot & Key Watermelon Sunscreen. I love the formula. So I'm going to just take a little bit of that. Just take it from your face all over to your neck. And yeah, this should be the last step of your skincare mostly. Now for the hair, I'm going to apply this Streaks Professional Serum. Now I'll quickly just comb my hair and show you my outfit. So as you can see, I'm all ready to face the day. Also, I'm wearing a very simple outfit, a t-shirt from H&M on which I have dropped my serum and it's looking bad now. But please excuse me for that. Don't feel like changing. So yeah, I'm wearing a simple, and Pepper is just being naughty. So I'm just wearing a simple t-shirt from H&M and my leggings from the activewear of Jockey, and I'll just show you this naughty little person who's trying to eat my towel completely. And I'm also wearing this piece of abstract art created by Madam Pepper. So that's how my face looks. हाँ पेपरो अभी बताती हूँ तो कुछ ना. This is Pepper going crazy for food. Oh my god, we are extremely hungry. So, after all of that, it's finally lunchtime, you guys. And I thought I should just sit in my balcony and enjoy my lunch. This is palak paneer, some rice with onion chopped in it. I also have some banana chips because I'm a sucker for crunch. I'm a sucker for crunch. Um, and that's pepper she's already eaten. And look at this pretty plants. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my lunch. So, you guys, after enjoying that amazing lunch, I'm ready to eat some ice cream and enjoy my dessert. This is ice cream from Noto, and this is in the flavor, I think, mocha choco chip. This has 75% less sugar, and I'm going to taste it now. Mm. Oh my god. If you love coffee, you have to try this ice cream. This is amazing. Look at this. I mean, this is too good. This tastes of coffee and it has chocolate chips and it's amazing. Hmm. This day is the best. I'm enjoying myself to the fullest. And now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to enjoy this ice cream, and then you and me are going to shop together on Amazon. Since I'm taking a day off and kind of like relaxing and doing the things that I love, I thought I might as well just finish some shopping that I had to do on Amazon, just some home things, some cushion covers and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and do that. Amazing. So whenever I'm sitting at my desk, I sometimes don't realize and I sit for a long amount of time. And what happens is that I kind of miss drinking water. So I usually have a glass of water with me. So guys, that took longer than expected and I kept shopping for almost more than an hour or something. So finally I'm done and I've placed my order, as you can see. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is quickly edit one YouTube video and I'll meet you on the other side of that. You're in my vlog. Would you like to say something? How are you feeling today? Come here, baby. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling nice and energetic? Pepru is on her heat today and we are pampering her as much as we can. Pepru, are you feeling good? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling good, baby? You want some treats? You want some treats? Oh, Shona. We have made her wear fresh clothes and we've given her tons of yummy food. She's happy. Aren't you happy? Aren't you happy, baby? She's so happily coming in the vlog. So cute. Oh, yes. Give me. Grab it. Grab it, baby. Grab it. Come on. Yes. Yes. Grab it. Grab it. Come on. So you guys, it is almost evening. It's around 6:30 or 7 o'clock, and I'm kind of hungry. I did not have anything after lunch, so here I am having my epigamia milkshake and with some old school curry. I have, however, tasted the vanilla one, but I've not tasted the strawberry one yet. They say it's rich, creamy, and high protein. Mm. Okay, so let's taste. It's thick. It tastes of strawberry for sure. It's creamy, but it's a little bit more sweet for me. So if you guys like something which is sweet, go for this. Mm. So it's dinner time, and we have some biryani, and we've made some raita here as well. I usually use Mother Dairy Ultimate Dahi as a curd in my house. It is very creamy and it doesn't go khatta at all. Trust me. Try and you'll understand. This is my raita. So let's eat. So with that, I would like to end this video and this full day of vlog. If you like this vlog, then please like, share, subscribe. And if you want something like this again, please let me know. If you have any questions about any product that I'm using, you can also comment down below and let me know about that. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.